Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here from beautiful Madian Valley, Madian Hotel, and I really welcome you to my IELTS writing module video. Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the writing criteria for 9 band. For example, if someone is looking for 9 band, what is the writing criteria or what is the description of 9 band? As you know, there are 4 marking criterias: coherence and cohesion, task response, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy. So in order to get 9 band, what is the marking criteria? This video is all about that. Now first of all, we have task response. For 9 band description, they say task response. This refers to how well you have addressed the task requirement and how well you have developed your ideas. How well you have addressed and how well you have developed your ideas. So it's the development of your ideas and addressing the main topic. Addressing the main topic means how thoroughly you have covered the topic. Then they write further, your essay should fully address the task, present a clear position or argument. Now sometimes students, when they write essay, their position is not clear. In opinion essay, they agree, at the same time they disagree as well. In discussion essay, they fail to provide any conclusion which side they agree with and all that. So there should be a clear idea which you need to present, a clear position of yours, and provide relevant examples and evidence to support your points. We call it supporting detail. Now in supporting detail, sometimes you further express on the same idea. You give an argument, you express on the same idea. We call it like developing your idea. And otherwise, to support your idea, you have to give an example, and that example can be a relevant example which you can give related to your point of that very paragraph. Next criteria is coherence and cohesion. For 9 band, it is expected from you that they say this refers to how well your essay is organized and how well your ideas are connected. Organization of your essay, number of paragraphs, connectivity of ideas within the paragraph, connectivity of sentences within the paragraph. In order to connect your sentences, you can follow this thing in body paragraph, state the main point, elaborate the main point, give a relevant example, and conclude that body paragraph. So these 4 things will actually help you. This is what they call how to organize your paragraph. Now in order to connect your ideas, you can use signpost language. For example, you can say, first of all, write your main idea. By this I mean, elaborate that idea. For example, give a relevant example, and then you can write, that is why, therefore, and then you can conclude that very idea. So these things work like a concrete in the brick wall, and then your ideas are well connected and your essay is well organized. Next, 9 band criteria for vocabulary. This refers to your use of vocabulary and how well you have used a range of words and expressions to convey your ideas. Don't learn vocabulary only the words. Try to learn collocations. Now they use the word range of words and expressions. When they talk about expressions, by expressions they mean collocations. Now collocations are a group of words which are used together, or a group of words which often come together. For example, a wise decision, an important choice, a vital sign, vital and sign, important and choice. So if you Google it, you will find a variety of words which are called collocations, and these collocations make your English sound natural, and this is how you can improve your vocabulary. As far as vocabulary is concerned, you should see what is the topic in the prompt. Underline keywords in the prompt of your essay. Prompt means topic. In the prompt of your essay, you can underline the keywords, and then for each keyword come up with 4 or 5 different synonyms and come up with 4 or 5 phrases which define the keyword. For example, if the word is punishment, for punishment you can use the word penalty. you can use the word penalize, you can use the word sentence. Okay, so these words are going to further elaborate, and this is the vocabulary that they need for 9 band they've written. And you should demonstrate a wide range of vocabulary and idiomatic expressions. There is a list of academic idiomatic expressions on Google, so you need to download that list, and then you can practice idiomatic expressions which are academic. Don't use informal idiomatic expressions. Okay, to pull your leg is informal. Go bananas. Go bananas is to get angry. This is all informal. You need to use academic idiomatic expressions that include phrasal verbs, come across, look into. These type of idiomatic expressions you can use. And finally, grammatical range and accuracy. This refers to your use of grammar, how well you have demonstrated a range of grammatical structures. Your essay should have correct grammar, punctuation and spelling with a variety of sentence structures and an appropriate use of verb tenses. Just remember tenses: compound sentences, complex sentences, conditional sentences. When it comes to tenses, just remember 5 tenses: present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect, continuous tense. Okay, then compound, complex and conditional sentences. So they are going to be enough to make a good structure. And use variety. Do not use the same structure again and again. One of my students in speaking, she repeatedly used it's an important matter, it should be resolved, it's a good decision, it's something very important, it's that is what we call repetition. So repetition is the band killer as well. So in order to achieve a 9 band score, you need to demonstrate a high level of proficiency in all 4 of these areas: task response, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, coherence and cohesion. This means that your essay should be well organized, fully address all tasks, okay, and use appropriate vocabulary and grammar, and be easy to read and understand. It should be easy to be read and understood. Okay, easy to read and easy to understand. And you should also demonstrate a high degree of accuracy and precision in your use of language with few errors or mistakes. Even for 9 band, there is room for few errors. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. It's raining here, it's drizzling at the moment, and the weather is awesome, and I'm making beautiful videos for you. Okay, I'm on vacation. Whenever I go on vacation, I have my camera with me, and with the help of my camera, like it's GoPro camera, I show you my small camera setup, and you're going to be happy to see that I make such type of videos. You can see my camera now. Can you? Yeah, this is my camera, right? So I use this camera and I make videos, and this camera is waterproof and all that stuff, and I like this camera very much. Thank you so much. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.